That's quite heavy. Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to my kitchen. And my name is Amaka. If you're new, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Okay, so in this video we are going to be making meat pie. Okay, but I'm going to start with meat pie fillings. Okay, so we are going to be making meat pie fillings. I'm going to show you how to make step by step meat pie fillings, and these are all my ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Oh, that's quite heavy. So these are all my ingredients we are going to be using. Okay, so we have some carrots, we have Irish potato, we have some bell peppers, we have white onions, and we have some minced meat. You can use any meat of your choice. Okay, so but make sure it's in smaller pieces, if that makes sense. And I have this basil I'm gonna be using. Okay, so I thought I should show you all the ingredients I'm going to be using. Okay, the main ingredients. You can't make this without meat pie, without minced meat. All right, but you can use any meat of your choice, but this is the main ingredients. Okay, carrot, potato, just like I told you, and I'm going to take you guys along as we start. Okay, all right, so I'm going to dice my onion, potato, bell peppers, carrots, and all other stuffs, and which I'm going to take you guys along and show you. Okay, so stay put and I'll take you guys along. Thank you. Okay my lovely, so we are going to start. All right, I'm just adding some extra virgin olive oil into my pan, and we'll allow it to heat up a bit, and we'll add some onions. All right, so before then, add a pinch of salt and add your onions. Because I'm making in a large quantity, I'm adding this quantity of onion. All right, so at this point you want to stir. Just going to take this more. All right, so you want to stir, and you're going to allow to become a little bit translucent, and then we are going to add our meat, the meat seasoning. Okay, all right, give it a little stir, and we're going to add minced meat. Okay, stir well. Okay, so now we're going to add our blended ginger and garlic to give it this awesome aroma. Some pepper, black pepper. We're going to add cayenne pepper. Okay. We're going to add some seasonings. Okay. Okay. So you're going to stir. Stir well. All right. So at this point, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Make sure it's properly stirred. And cover and allow to cook for some minutes. So while it's cooking, you can add this before or later. You can add some thyme and add your some curry. Stir. Cover and allow to cook. So now it's cooking. You want to add your pepper, your mixed bell peppers. Give it a stir. Okay. Give it a good stir. Look at that. All right. So stir well. We're going to add our carrots. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to add the remaining one. Stir well. You want to cover and allow to cook. Okay, so you want to stir well and add your potatoes, your Irish potatoes, and then give it a good stir. Look at that. Okay, stir well and add the rest of the ingredients. Some black pepper, cayenne pepper, some Maggi seasonings, some non seasonings. I'm gonna make sure it's your pieces well. Pieces well, like sometimes the Maggi one can be a bit hard, so make sure it's well separated. Stir and adjust if you need more ingredients or any spice. A pinch of salt, then stir well. Then finally you can add corn flour, okay, and stir. Add your basil. Look at that.